Hey everyone, it's Lisa Davis from Lisa Davis Body Construction. I'm traveling again with my husband because he works a lot and he's on the road a lot, so I like to go with him whenever I can. And I have a lot of videos on staying on track with your workout even when you're traveling, because I think it's so important, especially if you travel often. I'm going to be talking about the boxer skip today, also known as the boxer step, and it's just kind of here while jumping rope. I'm going to be using my 5mm PVC rope that I got from Dope Ropes. I'll put links below if you're interested in looking into ropes like I use. I truly use them almost exclusively. We're just going to start out with a basic bounce. We've got to be able to do this proficiently before we move on. So make sure you can do between about 20 and 100 without making a mistake. Not just because of the skill, but also so that you have the stamina in order to practice these other things. Keep in mind that all these drills are also good for runners. I was a runner for years, and the reason I started jumping rope was because I developed plantar fasciitis, and jump ropes helped me get over that. I also have a video for that. If I remember, I'll link it below as well. But we need to be able to do the basic bounce. And because of my injury, I did a lot of just one leg things. Great drills for runners or anyone who is trying to strengthen your legs or get better balance. So I think that really helped me be able to do this skill. And I'm talking about the boxer skip. So practice doing one leg jumping until you feel pretty good. So you got basic bounce, basic on one foot, basic on the other foot. Once you're able to do that, we're going to start a slalom. You're going to need to hold your hands a little lower on this. There's more movement at the bottom. You need more width in the bottom of your rope. So just remember that. And we're standing on the balls of our feet, and we slalom side to side. Some people can go from there right into the boxer skip. Other people still struggle, so I'm going to add some more tips. After the slalom, I call this a heavy slalom, and I really put my weight on the outside foot. I'm down a little lower, but that helps me really use one foot at a time on the slalom part, which is necessary for the boxer skip. Once I feel proficient at that, I'm going to take out the slalom part, but keep the heavy landing. We don't want to feel like it's a lot of impact, but just a little lower stance. So I was here. Now I'm going to take out the slalom and just be heavy there. And then I'm just going to kind of go up onto my toes more. Side view, if I can, without hitting the mat. So I was here, heavy. I took out the slalom part, and then I lifted up. I kind of like to imagine I'm being lifted up by a string, so I'm up on the balls of my feet. Also helps if you imagine a boxer here. Once you've got that, and you feel like you are doing the boxer skip, so you're here, you can try having one foot in front. I'm going to turn my mat. So I'm here, boxer skip, but if I want to do this front to front motion, front to back motion, I'm going to have one foot in front, trying again to stay up on the balls of the feet, then try your other foot. So if you're already a boxer, great drills for one leg at a time, building strength, building balance. If you're a runner, same thing. If you're a jump roper, great drills plus a new skill. You guys have a great day. I'll see you again soon. Have fun traveling wherever you might be, even if it's for work.